Thanks, Natalie. Let's get this weekend started off right, shall we?
Yes.
Okay, we are gonna give away a hot bundle of products.
6 hot bundles to be exact. Multiple products, multiple winners. I love this game.
So let's just get to it. It's time to play
Get a Clue. Here's what's up for grabs.
We have a fantastic lip butter from Sol de Janeiro called Brazilian Kiss.
I
That's
love
right
this
here.
stuff.
Love it. A My Tagalongs in-flight kit. So helpful.
Very helpful. We all need that.
Must have. We have a beautiful eyeshadow palette from Smith & Colt.
These are really fun colors.
Yeah, that is.
I like
Okay,
this a
what's
lot.
next? We have a pure marula facial oil.
Gorgeous.
And the Zoe Isla electronic brush cleaner.
I need this.
I know,
I gotta
me
clean
too.
those brushes.
Always. This prize pack is valued at more than $200.
Oh, this is a good prize pack. All right, here's how to play, you guys. We have 10 clues ranging from super obscure to really simple. The clues are related to a person, place, or thing. We will read them one by one, and when you know the answer, write it in the comments section. The first 3 people to get it right win.
But first, before we get started, here's a word from legal.
Kiara, we have in our hands the 2024 summer box.
I'm so excited to... There's nothing in mine.
What?
There's nothing in my box.
Ugh!
My box is empty.
How could they do this to me?
They hate us.
They hate us!
Is this some type of practical joke?
I do
thought we were getting like
understand
top secret
what
information.
is going
What's
on
happening right
here?
now?
Oh, hey.
Hey, we're the FabFitFun legal team.
And we're here to remind you that even though your comment appears first on your Facebook page,
It doesn't mean you've won the game. We're choosing winners based on who we see first on our Facebook page.
because our Facebook page is the one that matters.
The only one.
And I'm going to judge this competition.
I can't believe there's nothing in our box.
Serious.
So rude.
Stars. Literally, who knew all the talent we had upstairs? But they do mean business, so don't forget what they said.
Someone should get those guys their own show.
I know, they are fun.
Okay, checking in real quick to see who's with us. I like to see all my lovely ladies.
Let's see. Oh, we've got Summer,
Dawn.
Heather, we see you.
Hi, guys. Oh, we have Joan and Carla.
Iris is watching in New York.
Hi, Iris. Okay, Elaine Crespo is watching from work. She says, hopefully it's a lucky day for me to win. We hope it is,
We hope
Elaine.
for you too, Elaine. Bobby says hot bundle.
This is a hot bundle.
This is a hot bundle. It covers a lot of areas.
Okay, Rachel Berkowitz says, oh my God, I need this. I'm so excited. Okay, we're
get
excited
it.
for you. We
Well,
get
then
it.
let's just do it, you guys. Let's play Get a Clue. And here is your first clue.
Parents either love me or hate me.
Ooh. All right, your next clue is, people fear I may become extinct in future years.
Wow. Your next clue, you probably visit me at least once a month.
Okay, well, I have an idea about that, but.
Okay.
Okay, here's another clue. There are over 50,000 of me in the U.S.
Okay. Next clue is, I offer something for literally everyone.
I like this, whatever it is.
Yeah.
I already like it. Your next clue is, I can be dangerous for your wallet.
Oh, Your next clue is, I was inspired by European markets.
Okay. Your next clue, there's a board game made about me.
Ooh.
Okay.
We're on to something.
We know it, yeah.
Okay. And your next clue is, my biggest U.S. mecca is in Minnesota.
Okay, your next clue, you could avoid me and go online.
Okay.
Whoa.
Well, there we go. Those are all our clues. Let's check in on some guesses here.
Okay.
What are people saying?
We see cell phone.
Batteries.
Okay, there's a couple of guesses for Facebook.
Okay.
Oh.
Would someone guess pacifiers?
Public library. I like that. That makes sense.
Credit cards.
Credit cards.
That's a good guess.
Oh, Amazon.
Oh,
yeah.
Amazon.
But then with the go online, that
That
makes
is-
that.
Yeah.
We have a mall.
A mall. Okay, brick and mortar stores. That's another guess.
Yeah, that's good.
Lots of good guesses here.
Ooh, it's kind of all over the board.
I say we reveal the correct answer, Talia.
Yes.
What do you think?
I'm in agreement. The answer is a shopping mall.
Yay!
Yes. Our producers are quickly gathering our winners. I am really excited for all of you.
Okay. Oh, we have them. Okay. The first 3 people to have answered correctly are Valerie Norden.
I got so excited.
Gabrielle Renslow and Charity Balint.
Yay! Hear from the
Congratulations,
beginning.
Valerie. Hear from the beginning, girl.
You got it.
You deserve it. Congratulations to our winners. For the 3 lucky winners, we'll be in contact about getting your prizes delivered to you.
For everyone else out there, don't worry. We are playing round 2 of Get a Clue.
Okay, so now we know you're all experts at the game. Let's just get right into it.
Okay, remember, the first 3 viewers that we see to write in below with the correct answer will win this totally luxurious prize pack.
Here is your first clue.
I am light and portable enough to fit in a bag.
Okay. Your next clue. I usually cost less than $20.
Okay, affordable, great. Your next clue is, I'm typically made from cotton, nylon, plastic, or leather. Definitely a thing.
Okay. Your next clue is, odds are you learned to use me as a child.
Next clue, I am still a playground favorite. Okay, something all ages can use.
Your next clue is, adults also use me to exercise.
Okay. Your next clue is 15 minutes with me and you'll burn off the calories of a candy bar.
Oh,
I want
this thing?
this.
I want to find this. Okay. Your next clue is, you can use me alone or with a friend or 2.
I wonder if we've ever used this thing.
I don't know.
I don't know. Your next clue is, Sylvester Stallone used me in Rocky. I know.
I still don't know. Okay. Oh, I know. Okay. Your next clue is, crisscross and double dutch are my favorite moves.
Okay. All right. We got to check out what you guys think.
Yeah,
Let's
what are
see.
these guesses here?
Okay, we see wallet. People are thinking wallet, lipstick.
Cell phone we got a guess for umbrella.
Oh, that's fun. Mirror and flashlight. I wonder if Sylvester Stallone is
Used
in
a
that.
flashlight.
Yeah.
Okay, we got a guess for jump rope. We also have a guess for vacuum cleaner.
Ooh.
That's a fair guess.
Yeah. Swings.
Oh, swings. Because they're on the playground.
Yeah. I feel like he was running around Philadelphia, maybe
With
one
vacuum
of
cleaners?
swings.
Okay.
Flashlight in hand.
Okay, it is time to reveal the answer.
The answer is jump rope. Yay! Okay, our FabFitFun team is diligently checking the feed to make sure we get the first 3 correct comments on our feed. Oh, it looks like we have our 3 winners. These are the first 3 people to have answered correctly. Congratulations to Felicia C., Dorothy Caldwell Anthony, and Kristen Piazza.
Enjoy your amazing bundle, ladies. Congratulations.